how to log out Gmail account. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you through the steps on how you can log out of your Gmail account, so make sure to stick with me till the very end. So if you would like to log out of your Gmail account, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all, this process really depends upon both your iOS and Android. So on my Android phone, basically I have to open my Gmail app like this, and then I would need to tap the profile icon located at the top right hand side, then go to the option called manage accounts on this device, not manage Google account but manage accounts on this device option here. Then from here you can just select the Google account that you would like to log out from Gmail. So let's say this particular one for example, and then you can just tap the remove account option here, tap on remove account, and your account will get successfully removed. This way you'll be able to go ahead and then log out of Gmail account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.